My name is Lucian Rees-Roberts, and I had the great privilege to be the interior designer at 28 West 76th Street. We wanted to modernize this beautiful brownstone for a young family. We worked closely with Red Top Architects to open up the spaces, letting in the light, creating a flow throughout. The space is bright and minimal, yet is warm and functional. For example, the living room, which enables the comfortable, uncomplicated flow that brings together the family for cooking, dining, lounging, and being together in an incredibly beautiful environment. Having outdoor space in New York is a rare thing, so we wanted to be sure the family enjoyed it year-round. There is a space to dine and lounge, and also a space for the children to play basketball. It was important to the client, who is an artist, that the space be designed to highlight her existing art and growing collection. So while the spaces are open and bright, there are long walls which are perfect for showing art. Having great light in New York is a great luxury, and in addition to opening up the spaces and making large windows facing south, we selected materials which support this light and airy feel. The bleached white oak floors, painted white cabinetry, and light stone and tile. The clients had a growing family, and so the spaces were designed for them to interact together as well as have privacy.